Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rixson. This is their part number 66, or a Unicheck 66. And this is what a Unicheck 66 looks like after it's come through our rebuild shop. Now the details of what this looks like, the details of what we do during a repair rebuild are detailed down below. And this video is really just to provide visual evidence of what it looks like after it's been through the repair shop. Okay. Now, why would you repair this? Well, quite simply, the only way to replace it would be with a time machine. Lots of Rixson closers have been discontinued for several decades, but they still work. And actually, our record is we actually repaired one that was before World War I, in fact. And the client had an option, repair it or replace it. And the replacement was certainly a lot more than they wanted to contend with when you're dealing with how the floor is prepared, grout poured, whatever the situation may be with such a scenario. And sometimes, and most times, the most elegant approach is to just have the existing unit repaired. That may involve taking a door down, and it may be the case because we may not have one to send you in an exchange sort of scenario where you swap it out and send the old one back for a core credit. But given the specific nature of the dimensional properties of lots of closers, most certainly floor closers, sometimes there's literally no option except to reprep the floor, reprep the door and hardware, and start from scratch. The advantage of repairing it is you'll be able to preserve all the existing preparation in the floor, bottom of the door, etc. But modern material science, is used, not what was used in the 1940s, let's say, on this door closer. So you've got a good expectation of continual decades of faithful service. Okay, now let's move into the dimensional properties of what a 66 would be, just so you can have a point of reference dimensionally. And the 66, they're handed, of course, but also they come in different degrees. This happens to be a 90-degree hold open right hand. If you send us yours for repair, and I'm looking at a screen up here, we're going to discover what you're dealing with in terms of hold open, non-hold open, etc. If you're not sure, not the end of the world, because if you send us yours for repair, then we'll be able to, again, know what that is and just repair it accordingly. But you're dealing with a 100-degree hold open and non-hold open. Also, 120-degree hold open, non-hold open. 160-degree, the same. 85-degree, 90-degree. As well. Hold open, non-hold open, okay? Now, dimensionally, let's go over that again. Okay. And you'll usually have an unusually shaped faceplate, but an overall length of the body, end to end, looks like we're about 10 and a half. An overall width, about 5 1/8. Overall thickness or depth of the body, looks like that's going to be right at about 2.5 inches. Then, of course, you've got your spindle set there in place. Okay, and that's what it looks like after it's been rebuilt, stripped, cleaned, refit, rebuilt, repainted, and that's what it looks like. There'll be typically some additional stampings that the shop will do on them to identify them in case they come back, or in case, meaning when they come back, they do come back later in life with to have yet another rebuilt, refit done to them. All of the information regarding the exchange program, the repair program, is detailed down below. If you have any questions on any of that information, how to proceed, there's more videos, lots of data, feel free to call us, but perhaps review the extended description first, and if you have any questions after that, by all means reach out to us. Any questions on the rebuilt, repaired, UC66 from Rixson or any other Rixson product that we rebuild, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.